Hey guys, Bill at Ben's High Performance here. Thanks for checking out this video. So today I'm going to make a video on my new Moran Max Fuel Injectors. Now I've sold quite a few sets of these, but these injectors are actually going to go on my personal race car. If you have any type of alcohol-based engine combination, then you know you have to have a very big size fuel injector to feed that much fuel into the engine. Well, I've ran the same fuel injector over the years, and we've had a lot of issues with them, and we've been looking for an alternative supplier for fuel injectors, and I think I have found it. These Moran Max Fuel Injectors are like nothing on the market, in my opinion. These guys are pretty much built like a Sherman tank. I don't think there's anything that can ever take these out. If you haven't been to the Moran Motorsports shop before, it is a piece of art itself, and the way he's made these fuel injectors, the way his guys have built these things, is just unreal. I mean, it's Viton seals, it's billet everything. I mean, these are as hardcore as you can get for a fuel injector. So I thought I'd make a video actually showing you what you actually are going to get with your fuel injector when you actually get them from myself or when you get them from Moran. If you haven't seen the videos of these injectors actually flowing alcohol, you really should go on his Facebook page, go on his Instagram. There's a lot of videos there that actually show these guys flowing the fuel, and I highly recommend checking it out. If you don't have an account, find somebody that does. Go on the social media and just check it out, because it's really worth seeing how good of a spray pattern these guys do have. So in this application, these are 550 pound-per-hour injectors. You can go from 550s to 800s and 850 pound-per-hour injectors. Really depends on your engine combination. If you have a very small motor or a smaller 3,000 or less horsepower combination, you're going to want to go with the 550s. You don't need any more than that, because the thing about these fuel injectors is what these actually flow what they actually say they do. So at 550 pounds at 90 pounds base, these are going to do that no matter what. So as your boost rises, these are going to flow right along with it. You will be guaranteed to have all the fuel in your engine if you go with these set of injectors. So let's check out what you get inside the box here. When you get it, you're obviously going to get a bunch of paperwork in here, and I'm going to just kind of show you here inside. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff here. It's packaged really well. As you can see here, there's a ton of foam inside there. I mean, these injectors aren't going to go anywhere during shipping. They're not going to get hurt at all. So what we got here is we got a couple bags of some bottom spare O-rings. We have a upper set of spare O-rings here, and we've got some paperwork inside here. First thing is here is not attempt to clock that coil. You can damage it. If you got to clock the coil, contact the guys at Moran Motorsports. Let's see if they can help you out first, but don't clock that coil. You get some really cool stickers with these guys. Even the stickers just feel good. I mean, these are just some thick, really nice stickers. You get two of these guys here, so one for your shop, one for the car, and those are just really nice itself. You're going to get a full page color booklet here of instructions, okay? And inside the instructions are going to be everything as far as servicing. They're going to go over all the various options. You're going to go over how the spray patterns are all configured. So battery offset tables, injector offset tables are all in there as well. He's got everything covered here inside of the instructions here, okay? Fuel system requirements, service and maintenance, how to get these guys serviced by Moran for just checking them out in the off season and everything. But you got all your paperwork that come with it as well too, so you should have everything you need here. If not, you can contact myself, contact Moran Motorsports if you have any other questions about them, but everything should be pretty much answered here with the paper you get here. And then what I love here is you're gonna get a nice flow chart. So when the injectors are done, they're going to be flowed. You're going to know exactly what each injector did flow. Obviously, within their tolerances, they're not going to let anything go that is not flowing properly. So with this guy here, you're going to have the actual pound per hour that it did flow, the pulse width that it actually did require at that pound per hour rating, and you're going to get the spray pattern, the RPM that it was ran at, the fuel pressure, the battery voltage. So again, everything's here for you as far as proof that the actual injectors do flow what they are supposed to. And for the 550 pounders in the back, you're going to get the battery offset table on the back of the card as well. It makes it really handy. So now let's get to the good stuff here. So more foam to actually protect everything here. I'll put that off to the side. And then inside the box here, if you can see that, these guys are just packaged really nice. They're all in foam. Nothing can get bumped together as they're in shipping right there. So I'll take one of these injectors out here and just look at this guy here. So as you can see, really a high quality piece. You got 2 O-rings down here on the bottom. We got a single O-ring up here on the top. So I'm going to pull this guy off here and set this off to the side. Okay, I want to pull off the bottom here, and that's the actual injector right there itself. Okay, so the biggest the biggest part I think that is why this injector works so well is that guy right there. This guy basically has a beautiful stainless disc in there that actually is going to be where the alcohol flows out, sprays out, and that's where that beautiful spray pattern comes from. So these discs are inspected under a microscope before they actually are installed. The quality control in these injectors is just unreal. Everything obviously is flowed before it goes out, but these fuel injectors are just literally just like tanks. From the weight of these guys, you know these things are just built to just incredible standards. And I'm an old school guy. I used to have the gold injectors back in the day, and it's nice to have a set of gold injectors back in my hand here. But these injectors are really nice. They're built everything. Teflon seals on the inside. I think Mike has really outdone himself with these guys. You're definitely going to need an injector driver with these to run them. These guys, obviously, with this big coil here, okay, they're going to draw some current. So whatever ECU you're running, which I'm hoping is a big Stuff 3 Gen 4, you're going to have an injector driver that actually will run this coil here, because this guy is definitely going to take some current to actually work properly. So that's the injector right there. Obviously, you can get them in 8 sets of 8, 4, 6. Most of my drag race guys that get them, they'll get a spare injector as well, just to have a spare at the track itself in case you do need one. So these guys are beautiful, though. Mike has really outdone himself, I think, on these injectors. And again, for the price, they're priced very reasonable with all the other fuel injectors that are out there. You get all the documentation with everything here as far as everything you do need to get started, all the spare O-rings, everything you need is going to be in this box. So hopefully you like these injectors. Hopefully you guys want to check them out. Again, send me an instant message, send me a DM, send me an email, or get a hold of Moran at moranmotorsports.com. Send them a message and check these guys out. We don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. And get on social media, find the videos of these guys actually flowing, and I think you'll be a believer in how good these injectors are going to work. I can't wait to have them in my own personal race car running to show these guys off and to show these guys in action. So thanks for checking this video out. Hopefully this helped you out, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.